What happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day? What if one small habit could transform your fitness and mindset? Doing 100 push-ups daily might sound simple, but the changes it sparks can be extraordinary. Strength gains, mental focus, and a sense of achievement. Let's uncover how this challenge reshapes your body and life. Push-ups are the ultimate bodyweight exercise to target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. By committing to 100 a day, you create a consistent stimulus for muscle growth and endurance. Over time, you'll notice toned arms, a stronger chest, and the ability to power through exercises with ease. Push-ups don't just work your arms, they fire up your core to maintain proper form. Daily practice strengthens those muscles, improving posture and balance. That straight spine and solid midline, it's the result of a dedicated commitment to this everyday movement. This challenge isn't just physical, it's mental. Completing 100 push-ups daily teaches discipline and determination. Each rep builds focus, boosts willpower, and leaves you with a sense of triumph. That extra confidence you feel after crushing your goal, it's one step closer to a stronger you. Start with proper form, a straight body line and controlled movement. Split your sets throughout the day if needed, modify on your knees if you're beginning, and scale up as you grow stronger. Consistency beats perfection. Remember, quality trumps quantity to avoid unnecessary strain or injury. Your journey to a fitter you begins now. Start your 100 daily push-ups today, track your progress, and see the impact unfold. Commit, stay consistent, and inspire others to join the challenge by sharing your story. Hit the mat, you're one push-up away from greatness.